Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia. I drive a 2018 Chevrolet Volt plug-in, and I'm also part of VEVA, or the Vancouver EV Association. Now I've got a full charge, so let's say you and I go for a little drive. Now the first thing you'll notice about driving the Volt is that it's very quiet. And you can say this about any electric vehicle, but the Volt is actually a plug-in hybrid, so that means it actually has both an electric motor and a gas engine. The trick up the Volt's sleeve is that it doesn't actually use the gas engine until the battery is fully depleted. Now you can activate it later or whenever you need to extend your range, but as long as you've got juice in your battery, the gas engine doesn't come on. The nice thing about it is that you hardly use the gas engine if you're plugging it in every night, and majority of people don't go above the maximum electric range of this in a single day. And that brings me to the topic of range. Now Chevrolet advertises the Volt can do about 53 miles or about 80 so kilometers on a single charge. I've been actually exceeding that every summer. In the 2 years I've owned this car, I've gone over 110 kilometers on a single charge in the summertime. Well, plug-in hybrids can be a great alternative if you're actually seriously concerned about plugging in. Maybe you can't plug in consistently at work or at home, or you just live in an area where there's very few charging stations. But you still want that all-electric efficiency and cost savings. Compared to my previous car, which was an average four-door sedan, which was getting maybe about 8 liters a 100 kilometers, the Volt, on the other hand, by purely using electricity, is nearly, if not over, 10 times cheaper for me to operate than my previous car. Now, the sticker price for the Volt, and this one has the leather seats and the heated steering wheel and well, some emblems that are blacked out, came in at around $40,000 Canadian. But I didn't pay that. In fact, brand new, for only $27,000, including the discounts. Now, another great thing about the Volt is that how fun it is to drive. The low center of gravity, coupled with a pretty good steering that Chevy designed, you can actually have some fun with this on the back road. Because of the instant torque you get from a standstill, the Volt's actually very zippy in the city. You'll have no problem starting off at red lights, stop signs, or even getting around traffic and merging on the freeway. Now, charging-wise, the Volt will charge at 240 volts, so a level 2 charger, in about 4.5 hours, and that's from completely empty. Now, level 2 chargers, if you don't know what those are the type of chargers you'll probably find at like your mall, shopping center, or a public place. At home though, when you charge at 120 volts, or what we call level 1 charger, the Volt will take about 10 hours to fully charge. Now that might sound like a long time, but if you plug it in every day, the Volt will actually be fully charged every time you wake up. Now I hope you enjoyed learning about my Volt just as much as I love to drive. My name is Matt, and thanks for watching.